there's so many species going extinct in the wild, right, Pogo? Right? No. I don't think he heard me. Pogo, I was saying it's because of the predators. That's why there's so many species going extinct in the wild, right? Okay. All right, smart guy. If it's not the predators, then who is it? Excuse me? Come on, you're saying it's me. No? Oh? Again, you mean humans? Okay, humans. Makes sense. Makes sense. Must be some of the problems we humans cause. Pollution, habitat loss, misuse of chemicals. What is that? Cute. Okay. I know what that was. Some of the problems humans cause. Pollution. Are you okay? Alright, this is important. It's an important message. Alright? Pollution, habitat loss, misuse of chemicals is all out of control. Like this bird. Alright, Pogo, look. Will you listen to me? Somewhere, people. Pogo, I know these things are out of control. People are starting to realize it now. They're even doing something about it. So why don't you tell everybody here, Pogo, what do you think about that? All right. Good to know. I'm going to tell you guys a little secret. Pogo's very smart. But he doesn't know exactly what I'm saying. He knows cute. Watch this. If I want Pogo to say yes, all I have to do is cross my hand. There you go. It's just a flick of my right arm. Okay, try it again. That was better. Okay. If I take my right arm and I toss it out to the side, tossing, that's not it. This one. Okay. This one. I get that. I don't know. But he really likes doing it. There we go. Okay. I'm going to show you guys some verbal cues. He likes to do these too. You ready?